To my channel once more. This is just a quick one on the trade we took last week in our group. So yeah, I just want to give a breakdown in regards to the trade. Without wasting much of our time. Um last week on Monday, I think so. Um GU broke this low here. GU broke this low. Opening yeah. Okay, yeah. Last 2 weeks, G broke this low. So towards Monday, it opened somewhere here. It opened somewhere here, giving us a clear structure that from here or here can possibly be a continuation of trend towards the downside. In our group, in our free WhatsApp group where I do post signals every week. I will keep a link to the WhatsApp group in the description below for those of you here who are interested to capitalize on my trade or my free trade in making money for yourself. So without wasting more time, last week Monday or I think Tuesday somewhere here, GU came to this level. Yeah, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, so GU came to this level, of which this is a very good area to sell from. Don't get me wrong. GU came to this level. Yeah, we took a loss here. Yeah, we took a loss at this area. Of which this is a very good level to sell from. As you can see, there's a nice other block here aligning with this breaker block here. Yeah, this nice other block aligning. You can't see the other block. Let me go back to the 2 hours or 4 hours time for you to see this other block. You see this nice other block. Look at this nice other block, this green candle. Look at it here. So it was aligning with this breaker block, and if you notice, here was a key level too. Let me go to let me Here was as well a key level from here to here was a key level. That was why I had a very high intention of selling GU here. Although, yeah, I had a trap here for GU too, but I have a very high belief that GU could possibly sell from here. But unfortunately, we took a loss here. So yeah, scaling down to the 30 minutes time frame. Yeah, it was. Let me just feel a little percent. Scaling down to the 30 minutes time frame, it was giving me this bearish momentum. Look at this bearish momentum here. So when I started seeing this bearish momentum, although I didn't enter aggressively on the sell here, when I started seeing this bearish momentum, okay, I now concluded that okay, it wants to start continuing the downtrend from this area. I now posted on our group that we should sell GU at this point. So unfortunately for us, we had a loss here. I started zooming out the chart to notice why to try to see why this trade failed us here. So I now saw that there was a sweep of liquidity here. You notice this area, there was a sweep of liquidity here. And looking at it from this level too, there is an engineer liquidity here. Can you see it? This engineer liquidity? There is an engineer liquidity here. So automatically, I now notice that this was the reason why this level. Mind me, this is a very good level to sell GU from. On a very good day, you will see some persons. Normally, I do back a good amount of profit from levels like this. If notice, the breaker block, other block key level are aligning together. So selling from here is not wrong. Selling from here is not wrong. You know, the market does its things, and the market does its thing whenever it wants to do. So when I saw this sweep of liquidity, I saw this in engineer liquidity, automatically I now knew that this was the reason why this level here failed. This was the reason why this level here failed. So I started waiting for confirmation at this level because I have seen a sweep of liquidity here. Look at this liquidity here, this sweep here. I saw this sweep. Hold on. I saw this sweep. Yeah, we call this liquidity sweep. Now I saw this engineer liquidity too. This engineer liquidity too. Yeah, these levels are marking. This is a sweep, a liquidity sweep. This one is an engineer liquidity. So immediately I saw this, automatically I knew that okay, GU will sell from here. So I didn't enter aggressively as usual. I started waiting for confirmation. Although it came aggressively to this zone, you can see this bullish momentum towards this area. But I still have this belief, provided this protected high. Yeah, this was the protected high. You notice, provided this protected high haven't been taken out. From here, you see this high. This high here was not taken out. You see, this protected high. From here, you see that it wasn't taken out. This high here, you see, this place, this bullish momentum that came to this area, it didn't take out this high. So I started waiting for confirmations. So immediately I saw the confirmation, I now posted on our free WhatsApp group that we should sell GU immediately. So GU started selling aggressively from here. Normal market does it. You know the market cannot move in a straight line. It will surely move in a wave form like this, giving lower high, lower low. So upon GU coming to this area, I started seeing some rejections. That was why I told them to close on 2 hour profit here. In our group, I said we should close GU here on 2 hour profit, 2.5 hour profit. I think so, yeah. That was 2.5 hour profit. Yeah. No, this is wrong. But it was 2.5 hour profit. I was pretty sure about it. Not 3 hour. Maybe we entered somewhere here. Yeah, but what I want to say is that we closed GE here at 2.5 hour profit and not this 3 hour. So why did I have to close the GE here? Someone might start asking me why did I have to close GE here? Like I said earlier, this was a very good key level. This area here was a very good key level. And if you notice, if you're someone that trade on a regular basis, you notice that market do react to key levels very well. Look at from here, look at this level here. This is a very good key level. Look at this area. The market tap here, it reacts, it tapped here, it reacts, it came down, it broke to this downside, it tapped this same area, it reacted towards the downside before moving, and now came back here and reacted to this key level. That was why I saw that okay, GU coming here and giving this reaction, automatically it could possibly buy from here. And what happened? When I told them to close, it went up a little bit, came down, and still reacted at this key level, this same key level. Let me change it. Let me change the color. Or let me use something else to mark out this key level so that you will not get it wrong. Let me use this to mark out this key level. Now I marked out the key level with blue. I marked out this key level with blue. So you see, market reacts multiple times on key level. If there are people that trade key level, people that understood key level very well, you know what I'm talking about. You see, market came here, it reacted towards the upside. It came to this same key level, it reacted towards the upside. It broke down, it came to this place again, it reacted towards the downside. It came here and still come to this key level and reacted towards the upside. Same thing here and reacted towards the upside. So that was why I knew that automatically GU will possibly buy from here heavily. So that was why I told them to close on to close GU here in 2 hour profit. So yeah, that is just the breakdown on this trade. And for those of you here who wants to join our WhatsApp channel on leveraging on the trade I post there to make money for yourself, I'll put a link to the description below so you can join. So yeah, thank you and see you on the next one. Peace.